Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. If you're looking to grow your money tax-free, you've probably heard about the TFSA, but what exactly is it? A TFSA or tax-free savings account lets your money grow tax-free. You won't have to pay taxes on any earnings inside your TFSA. But hold up, the name tax-free savings account can be misleading. You can actually invest your money inside a TFSA. Not everyone can open a TFSA right away. Here's what you need to qualify. You must be 18 years old or older and a Canadian resident with a valid SIN. To open a TFSA, you'll need to go through a bank, credit union, or an online platform. Some popular options include major banks like RBC, TD. One important thing is to stick to your TFSA contribution limit. For example, in 2024, the limit is $7,000. If you were 18 in 2009 and never contributed before, your total limit would be over $95,000. Before we wrap up, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Withdrawing and redepositing too soon can be penalized. Keeping only cash in your TFSA instead of investing. And that's a wrap. Now you know what a TFSA is and how to start using it to grow your money tax-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. I'd love to help you on your financial journey.